All right, this is the Algebra 2 Unit 2 Lesson 9 video over linear systems. And when we talk about linear systems, we are talking about when we graph two equations of a line and we look here, this is what we call the solution. So this is what this is all about. We're looking at the solutions of linear systems. Where do these systems intersect each other? And so really, the easiest way to do this, and what we're going to focus in on, is using the graphing method to solve these linear systems. So they're going to start by giving us two linear functions, and we are going to determine where they intersect. They're also going to ask us about x-intercepts and y-intercepts and other things like that. So let's look at this first example. They already have it graphed here, but I want you to see kind of how this process is going to work when you go to do it in the lesson. So we're going to take these equations here in the example, and I'm going to jump over to Desmos, and I'm going to type them in to the graphing system. So we have 6x plus 3y equals 30. 6x plus 3y is 30. And then it's going to ask us to tell the y-intercept and x-intercept of that function. Right here is the y-intercept, right here is the x-intercept. Remember, the x-intercept is where it crosses the x-axis, the y-intercept is where it crosses the y-axis, and we have the y-intercept here and the x-intercept here. So you will be writing those down, and then you go to the other equation. X plus y equals 7. X plus y equals 7. Same thing. We have our y-intercept and our x-intercept of our function. And then they're going to ask for the solution. And the solution is the place where the two lines intersect. So our solution would be 3, 4. The x value is 3, the y value is 4. And you can see that here, that's the answer they got as well. And that's pretty much it. So when you go to do this lesson, you're going to go down, and they give more examples there. Obviously, answer the vocabulary words from the information above. And then you get to number 5, and they want you to identify the x and y intercept of each line, like I told you. So remember, the x and y intercept is going to be where it crosses the x-axis, where it crosses the y-axis, same thing here. And then the solution is where the two lines intersect. That's your solution. And that's pretty much it. That's what you do for number 5. And then in number 6, again, find the solution. You need to graph these two equations, find out where they intersect, and that one is going to be one of these answer choices. And another short video for lesson 9. So please reach out to me if you have any questions.